Okay, dear students, how are you all? This is Professor Varun from Bathinda City, and I am teaching physics. This might be the first time that you are watching me on this YouTube, but today I am going to show you something very interesting, and I have created a project for all of the students. Okay, तो इस प्रोजेक्ट में आई एम ट्राइंग टू गिव the crash course for physics for 11th as well as complete 12th, okay, and that even separately. And so we are now going to discuss about this project in details. Okay, so please be with me, and this is going to be really interesting now. Okay, so let us see. Wait a minute please. Okay, so this is a little of my introduction, dear students. This is Professor Varun. My name is Varun Goyal, and as it is written over here, I am here to make physics simpler. Well, the name of this project, as you have already seen, is Simple Physics, and my only endeavor is to create a very simple course for the physics. मेरा आपसे सिर्फ एक ही सवाल है, क्या आप फिजिक्स पढ़ रहे हो मेडिकल और नॉन मेडिकल के लिए, और क्या आप फिजिक्स में प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हो? वेल, दैट इज द मेन क्वेश्चन. आर यू फेसिंग प्रॉब्लम इन फिजिक्स एट एनी लेवल फॉर 11th as well as for 12th? Well, if you are facing that kind of a problem, I am here, and let us try, are we able to solve it or not? So this is Professor Varun. This was my a little introduction. You can reach me here at WhatsApp, and this is my website. You can visit and you can find it for yourself. If you want a little more detail about this, you can visit to my website. Okay, so I have my own coaching center, and you might be knowing it, and if you don't know, I must tell you that my my teaching is being provided not only in online courses but for the offline courses also. Okay, so with this project, if you are like, let us say, if you are joining this crash course project, it will be really helpful to you. Why? Because you can study online, and whenever you have doubts or whenever you want to meet me, you can directly come to my office and you can meet me offline. Well, my location is up on Google Maps already, and so you can watch it, you can find it, and you can contact me later. Okay, so a little thing about my education, little of my introduction, and then we will move into what is our big plan. So my dear students, I completed my graduation in mechanical engineering from NIT Surat, Gujarat. Okay, and this is one of the premier institutes for mechanical engineering. It is a AAA rated mechanical engineering in all over our nation. Okay, and then I have done my post graduation from the branch and from Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh. Again, you are aware of this. It is one of the premier institutes of this country. Well, I was the topper there, and I completed my post graduation from thermal engineering, and this is the specialization that specializes me in the field of thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, and work energy and power. So you all know that these are one of the most difficult chapters in 11th standard. So this is my specialization that will help us later. Okay, so a little thing about my work experience. Since 2013, I have been into teaching physics at various institutes, sometime at Chandigarh, sometime at various places. But now presently I am running my own institute at Bathinda, as I have already told you, by the name of Professor Varun, and it's near Maheshwari Chowk, near Ajit Road, so you can visit and meet me. Okay, so since 2013 I am into the field of teaching, so I brag about this 7-year teaching experience that I have as per this physics subject is concerned. Since my 11th and 12th, I am really interested in this subject, and mechanical engineering has just reinforced my my knowledge in physics, and thermal engineering has in fact specialized my knowledge. So let us moving to our next slide. So this is I am also working with an academy, dear student. Well, this t-shirt is also black, but this is not an academy. Okay, so this is similar to that. So this is one of my job profiles now. Okay, an academy. And let us move next. So what is the big concept that we are here to discuss about, my dear student? So let us move into this. Let's make physics simple. That's the tagline for this program, and let us see, are we able to make it simple or not. So dear students, here on YouTube channel, I have decided that on this YouTube channel I would be providing you with 2 free courses, absolutely free courses. First is the crash course worth pondering over, free of cost, the revision of the complete course for 11th and 12th in separate classes within the stipulated time duration of 2 months, and I would be completing the complete course for 11th as well as for 12th. So these 2 months will be December and January. We would be discussing it a little later. So in these 2 months we are going to complete this complete crash course in complete detail, and you will not be saying that, sir, the level of the education is not good. Level of the education will be very good, will be optimum according to your exams. Okay, and all the recordings will be made available on YouTube throughout your exams. Until your exams, it will be available on YouTube, so you can watch them anytime, and you can watch them any number of times. Okay, so this will be the crash course for 11th and 12th, and apart from that I am providing you with a free online test series. Okay, the only thing is that for this you need to download an app named Professor Varun, Prof. Varun, from Google Android Play Store. It's not available with Apple yet. It's not available on iOS, but it is available on Android, so you can download it. And in that app I would be providing you MCQ based, free of cost, chapter wise test series. So as we are completing the chapters in our crash course, you would be able to give the tests also according to the crash course itself. So this is going to really help you out, that are you actually able to understand things or not, are you actually able to practice the chapter or not. Okay, so this app is completely fully based, like a ranking will be provided there, leaderboard, analysis, solutions, everything will be there itself in this app. Okay, so these are the only 2 things that you need to refer to: crash courses for all the theory and online test series. Okay, so let us now move next. So what will be our process? We must delve deeper into what are now we going to do. So let us see. The course is going to be started on the 1st December of this year, and it will go for 2 months, and it will end at 31st January 2021. Well, if we consider these things, how many days are there? 62 days will be there in total with us. And out of these 62, well, I do not want to work on Sunday, and you would be happy with that also. So we will subtract these 8 Sundays, and we are left with 54 days now. So how are we going to complete these? See, 11th and 12th, these are the 2 separate batches. So there will be 2 classes on daily basis separately. So 11th would be 1 half-an-hour class for 11th, half-an-hour class for 12th. I would be telling you later. So daily there will be 2 classes for 54 days. But now I have added 2 extra classes here. So in total there will be 56 classes now. And if we know that there are 14 chapters for 11th and 14 chapters for 12th, so we come to this conclusion that 4 classes will be dedicated to 1 chapter. Now that's whooping, because if I tell you that these are like revision classes or crash course classes, so 4 classes per chapter means 4 days for 1 chapter. Okay, 4 days per chapter, and you can have plenty of exercises, plenty of your practice there, and in 4 days we would be able to complete this chapter. This will be the average. Okay, these are average time period for all of the classes. For example, if we consider units, dimensions and errors, that won't take 4 classes, only 2 classes will be enough for it. Okay, so 2 classes will be left, but those 2 classes will be given to thermodynamics or like some other chapter, so rigid body dynamics, so they would be having 6 classes. So 4 classes per chapter are they are too much, and by the end of 31st January we would be ready with 11th, and as well as the 12th student will be ready with their 12th standard. Okay, so this is good now. So there will be 4 classes, I will repeat, per chapter at average. Okay, and these classes will be half an hour long. Okay, so let us now move next. You can pause the video and you can see it, you can watch it later on. So what are the books that you need to refer? So my dear student, in this course I tell you these are half-hour classes, and no notes or no books you need to refer. No books but these 2 books. Well, if you really want to prepare for like CBSE board examinations or Punjab State Education Board examinations, these 2 books are completely sufficient for theory exams. As per MCQ is concerned, definitely you need to go further. You need to search for MCQs. You need to refer those books. Well, there is the book that is Fingertips from MTG Champion. This is worthy enough, and you can go for that book also. So these are my books which I had prepared, and we call it 5 book for 11th and 5 book for 12th. So if you are referring these 2 books, that will become so easy for you. I guarantee you that you will cherish these books. You will not repent studying from these 2 books. So this is for 11th standard. This is separately for 12th standard, but these books will be paid, and you have to come to my coaching center and collect these books. Otherwise, these books will not be made available to you. No soft copy will be given, only and only hard copies will be there. Okay, so moving next, these are the notes that you need to refer. And if let us say you are referring to this book, you need no other book. You need no physics or no Pradeep, no MCQs, nothing. This is one in itself, complete book by itself. You do not need anything other than this. Okay, so moving next, well, this much will be enough for this. So physics is a tool to simplify Mother Nature, as I say, but Mother Nature is complex. So we all know that physics is complex, but it is our humble endeavor that we want to make physics as simple as possible. So all the crash courses will be made available to you on YouTube. Okay, so this is physics for you. I know physics is not that simple, but we will make it. So this is Professor Varun Goyal, and you can refer to this website. You can call me or contact me at this WhatsApp number. Once again, I am just repeating it last time. I am going to provide crash course for the subjects of physics, 11th and 12th separately, and I would be going live from approximately like 4 to 5, so it will be 4 to 4:30, and this will be 4:30 to 5 p.m. Okay, and the classes will start from 1st December 2020, and it will go up to 31st January 2021. They will be complete and holistic classes. So do not worry about it, like that the syllabus will be complete or not, what will be the level of the education and everything. That is going to be awesome. Okay, these are the same things that I am providing in Unacademy and other places. Same thing will be provided here to you. That will be not less than anything, absolutely free of cost. And not only classes, I am providing with classes plus online test series. But for these online test series, you need to download the app and you need to contact me to get the code for the classes first of all. Okay, so you need to contact me for online test series, but that will be absolutely free. So do not worry at all. Okay, so anything left? Well, our each class will be half an hour long. My dear students, if you are having any doubts, students, those who are listening, please do mention in comment section. And if you are not watching it live, even then you can comment it here. I would be replying to your comments afterwards also. So do not worry, this is the introductory class for the project Simple Physics, and this is your own Professor Varun from Bathinda City. So I hope this will solve all your problems for physics in 11th and 12th. So this is Professor Varun. So this is where we say goodbye. All the best. Bye bye.